Welcome to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty and beyond. Today, we're going to make something that's typically a chore, brushing your little one's teeth, way more fun and engaging. If you've been struggling to get your toddler excited about brushing, or if the usual toothbrushes just aren't cutting it, I've got something that might just change the game. Let's talk about the Crayola Toddler Pip-Squeaks Toothbrushes. This product is designed specifically for toddlers aged 2 and up, making it a great option for parents looking to get their little ones into a good brushing routine early on. You get 2 brushes in each pack, both with ultra-soft bristles and a fun, playful design that includes 4 unique Pip-Squeaks faces. Fun, right? So why is this toddler toothbrush special? First off, the bristles are ultra-soft. No harsh bristles here. This is crucial for toddlers, as their teeth and gums are still delicate. The bristles are designed with an interdental trim, which helps them fit perfectly between the teeth to remove plaque gently and effectively. No more worrying about missing the spots between their teeth during brushing. The narrow, tapered head makes it easy to reach the back of the mouth too, which we all know can be a challenge with little ones. One of the standout features is how it stands up on its own. Yep, no more worrying about germs or water pooling on the brush head. The design helps keep the bristles clean and dry between uses, super hygienic and convenient for busy parents. Now, let's talk about using the toothbrush. I've found that the design really makes a difference when it comes to getting a toddler to engage. The fun, colorful design is not just visually appealing, but also encourages them to get involved in brushing, which is half the battle. It's great for establishing positive habits at an early age. As for performance, the brush is super gentle on their gums, and I didn't notice any irritation, even when my little one was brushing a bit too enthusiastically, which happens. The tapered head allows for better precision when brushing those hard-to-reach spots, which I really appreciated. The lightweight handle is another bonus. It's easy for tiny hands to grip, making the whole process smoother for them. Pros? First, the design is just adorable and fun. The ultra-soft bristles are gentle, the brush head reaches well, and the self-standing feature is a game changer for keeping things clean. The brushes are easy to use, and the colors keep my toddler interested in brushing regularly. As for cons, honestly, there's not much to complain about. One thing I did notice is that the brush is small, which might not be ideal for all toddlers, especially those with bigger mouths. But for most 2-year-olds, it's perfectly sized. Plus, it's important to note that this is a toddler toothbrush. So, if your little one is older or has more advanced oral care needs, this might not be the right fit. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's quite reasonable, especially for parents looking for a toothbrush that both works well and gets their child excited about brushing. Given that you get 2 brushes in one pack and considering the thoughtful design, it's a great investment in promoting oral hygiene from a young age. In comparison to other toddler toothbrushes, the Crayola Pip-Squeaks stand out with their self-standing feature, the fun design, and the gentle bristles that don't sacrifice effectiveness. Some other toddler brushes may be less appealing, which could make it harder to get your child excited about brushing. Now, if you're looking for similar products, but maybe a bit more affordable, there are a few other toddler toothbrushes that offer a similar soft bristle experience. However, not all of them have the fun factor that comes with this Pip-Squeaks design. So if that's something you're prioritizing, this could be worth the extra investment. To sum up, the Crayola Toddler Pip-Squeaks Toothbrush does what it sets out to do, make brushing fun and effective for toddlers. It's gentle on their teeth and gums, easy to use, and keeps your countertops less cluttered. If you've been struggling with getting your little one to brush regularly, this is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching this review on Beautyistic. If you've used the Crayola Toddler Pip-Squeaks Toothbrush, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our honest reviews. Stay beautiful, inside and out, and I'll see you in the next one.